What do I use to mount a heavy framed mirror to a stud wall? I recently got my grubby hands on a beautiful, but extremely heavy, 4 foot by 7 foot framed wall mirror. It probably weighs around 100 pounds, if not a little more. I know what exterior wall to mount it on, exactly where the mount points are, and have already installed 2 wood screws 2 inches long into the studs. The mirror came with a pre-installed wire, and I'm hoping that these 2 screws would be stable enough to hold the mirror. When we tried actually installing the mirror, we tipped it onto 1 screw, and tried to pivot the rest of the mirror onto the 2nd screw. In the 10 or 15 minutes that this process took, I observed the first screw start to tilt downward a little bit. Didn't want to take chances with such a heavy object, and stopped the entire process. Here is my questions. 1. What specific hook or other fastener can I use to safely hang this mirror? 2. Will just 2 such fasteners suffice, or should I use more? 3. Should I remove the mirror's wire and use just the D-rings that it came with? 4. If I use 3 above, what method should I use, considering that there aren't any studs close to the D-ring mount points? Question from user Alt at Stack Exchange. Answer. You'll probably have an easier time using a picture hanger than a screw, and it will leave your wall in better shape when you remove it. Picture hangers transfer the downward force into pressure into the wall because the nail is mounted at an angle. The screw, on the other hand, is being bent because you're acting as a lever, where the stud is the fulcrum, the drywall is just empty space, and the wire is the force applied at the end. Even if you get a stronger screw, you're still placing a significant twisting force into the stud. You can't use your typical picture hanger for a task like this. The small hangers that come in most kits are rated to only 20-30 pounds. However, you can find hangers like this one that is rated to 100 pounds, and I'd still use 2 of them, since it will make adjusting for level much easier and reduce the risk of failure. The other option is called a French cleat, which are 2 interlocking rails, one that attaches to the wall, and the other to what you're hanging. As long as you install them both straight and level, you don't need to adjust the mirror for level, and it distributes the weight across a larger area, reducing the risk of a failure. Answer from user B. Mitch at Stack Exchange.